Have you ever paused to consider the importance of water in our lives? What does the Quran say about this life-giving substance? Water, so ordinary and yet so extraordinary, is not only a divine blessing but a fundamental element of our existence. Akin to a celestial elixir, it quenches our thirst, nourishes our crops and sustains our ecosystems. The Quran, the divine book of wisdom, provides a profound understanding of this blessing in verse 16, 10, 11. It beautifully articulates, "It is He who sends down rain from the sky, from it is drink, and from it is foliage in which you pasture." This verse paints a vivid picture of the divine cycle of life, where water descends from the sky, serving not only as a drink for us, but also as a source of foliage. Through this verse, we're reminded that water is not just for us, but it is a universal sustainer, a life force for animals, plants, and all other creatures on earth. What a remarkable testament to the interconnection of life and the divine blessing that water truly is. This verse not only highlights the importance of water for human beings, but also for animals, plants, and all other creatures on earth. The Quran further emphasizes the role of water in creating and sustaining life. It beautifully illustrates this in verses 25, 48, 49, and 50, 9, 11, where water is portrayed as a divine gift that revives the dead land and nourishes livestock and humans alike. These verses paint a vivid picture of how water cascading down from the heavens breathes new life into a barren landscape, transforming it into a thriving ecosystem. Moreover, the Quran's narrative resonates with our scientific understanding of the water cycle. Water evaporates, forms clouds, and returns to the earth as rain, crucial for replenishing our rivers and groundwater. This cycle is fundamental to life on Earth, supporting everything from the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals. In addition, the Quran's description of water as a source of sustenance aligns with our knowledge of water's role in supporting life. It's a key ingredient in our bodies necessary for our cells to function correctly. It also provides a habitat for a multitude of species and plays an integral role in agriculture, enabling us to grow the food that sustains us. Indeed, without water, life as we know it would not exist. Water is not just for drinking. It plays a vital role in agriculture, as stated in the Quran. In fact, the verses 23:18, 19 beautifully illustrate this point, saying, "We sent down water from the sky in measure and lodged it in the ground. And we certainly are able to withdraw it. Therewith for you we gave rise to gardens of palm trees and vineyards, where for you are abundant fruits, and of them you eat." This mirrors our current understanding of the science of agriculture. Water is indeed crucial for plants to grow. It's absorbed by the roots and transported to the rest of the plant, playing a key role in photosynthesis, the process that allows plants to transform sunlight into food. Furthermore, the verse 36, 34 states, "Therein we placed gardens of palm trees and vineyards, and we caused water springs to gush forth." This vivid imagery serves to remind us of the life-giving properties of water, not just for humans and animals, but for the very plants that sustain us too. Thus, water is a key ingredient in the growth of the food we eat. The Quran also talks about the role of winds in bringing rain. Verses 15:22 and 30:48 emphasize the significance of winds in the process of rain formation. They beautifully illustrate how winds, acting as fertilizing agents, carry water vapor, leading to the formation of clouds and ultimately precipitation. This concept, as expressed in the Quran, parallels our scientific understanding of meteorological processes. In the science of meteorology, it's recognized that winds play a crucial role in weather patterns and natural phenomena. The movement of wind, driven by temperature differentials and pressure variances, carries water vapor across vast distances. When these water particles meet cooler temperatures in the upper atmosphere, they condense around dust particles, forming clouds. Once these clouds become heavy enough, we experience this as rain, a life-giving resource. The Quran, in its divine wisdom, presents this complex process in a simple yet profound manner, demonstrating that the winds don't just bring us cooler weather, but are instrumental in the water cycle. This understanding reinforces the interconnectedness of natural processes and their significance in sustaining life on Earth. Clearly, the Quran acknowledges the complex meteorological processes that bring us our much-needed water. So what have we learned about water from the Quran? Water, in its many forms and functions, is a divine blessing, a life-giving force, a vital player in agriculture, and a crucial element of the Earth's ecosystem. The Quran's eloquent references to water, from its descent as rain from the sky to its role in bringing life to dead lands, mirror our scientific understanding of water's critical role in our world. The winds that carry water vapor, the formation of clouds, and the eventual precipitation are all part of a complex, intricate process that underscores the divine wisdom in the creation of our world. The Quran's emphasis on the importance of water for all living beings, including humans, animals, and plants, is a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness and our shared reliance on this precious resource. The verses also highlight the role of water in agriculture, from the growth of crops and olive trees to grapevines and all kinds of fruits. This connection between water and sustenance is a testament to the divine provision for all creatures. Next time you drink a glass of water, remember its divine significance and the intricate processes that brought it to you. Perhaps it will taste a little sweeter.